Hello, Sylar. You want to play with the dot, or do you want to play with this? Yeah? There's a fidget spinner. You want to see it? Come here. What is that? What is that? Even Tank's mesmerized. What is that? Sylar, don't eat. No. Don't eat that. Just look at it. Sylar, don't eat. Yes, Sylar, don't eat. What is it? What is that? What is that? I found a fidget spinner over at Oceanside Beach on Tuesday. Washed up ashore. The bearings were completely rusted shut, as you can tell. This particular one doesn't want to move. The center one I was able to restore, but yeah, that's like the only one that I guess people only play with. But I gotta take some acetone or something, or like 99% concentrate rubbing alcohol or some vinegar or something. Soak them all up real good, clean all the bearings out, re-soak them. Oh, you pooped out? You want to play again? What is that?
Yes.
These aren't exact. Oh wait, it's upside down. No, I don't want to play no more, so I'll plug that. Still works. Sylar freaking. He likes playing with this. Let me show you what Sylar does. Oh yeah, immediately. Both of them did. Okay. Okay. What? Where are you going, you little turd? What are you doing?
Oh yeah, yes, that's natural. And finally, there's an internet rumor going around that you're dating a 130-year-old woman.
What are you doing, boo? Sit. Sylar, sit. Sit, boo.
Do we talk a lot about,
All the way. You can't do the half crouch. All the way. All the way. All the way. Sit. One. All the way.
There's the love making.
I ain't gonna do. You are not.
She got that going for her. So, yeah, that's it. Gentlemen, a job well done.
No turd. Alright, I'm done. No, don't even think about it, you little turd.
Scenes of graphic stupidity among 4 lifelong friends who